Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. DaCosta. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Today for math, we are going to continue working on area and perimeter, but today we are going to be working on word problems. And instead of trying to figure out what the area or the perimeter is, the problems are going to give you the perimeter and the area. And we need to find out the length and the width, okay? So we're kind of working a little bit backwards. So this is multi-step, which means that there is more than one step to find the answer. But if you stick with me, you will be fine, okay? So let's take a look at number 3. It says a square field has a perimeter of 44 meters. Find the length of one side of the field. Okay, so they already gave us the perimeter. The perimeter is 44 meters. So here's what I like to do. I like to write out the formula and then fill in the blanks. So here we have the formula. It says perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. Well, let's see what I already have, okay? So do I already have the perimeter? Yes, I already have the perimeter. So let me fill that in. The perimeter is, whoa, why is that so thick? We'll just leave it that way. The perimeter is 44 meters, okay? Equals blank, because we don't know the length, plus blank, we don't know the width, plus blank, we don't know the length, plus width, we don't know the width, okay? But what shape is this? It is a square, okay? So what do we know about squares? All of the sides have to be the same length, okay? So what does that mean to us? Well, that means to us that whatever number goes in these blanks has to be the same number, okay? Now, I don't have any of this information, but what I do have is how many sides are in a square, okay? How many sides are in a square? There are 4 sides to a square, okay? So what I can do is I can take this 44 and I need to break it up into its different sides. So when I'm breaking something up into smaller numbers, what am I doing? I am dividing, okay? So I need to take 44. Oh, I need to fix this. This is going to be annoying. 44 divided by 4, okay, equals what? So remember the trick I taught you. Let me make this smaller. Remember the trick I taught you. What number times 4 gives me 44? So blank times 4 equals 44. You will find out that the answer is 11. Okay, so in these blanks, I'm not going to erase this. So it should be 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, because each side is 11, equals 44 meters. And if you actually do the math, 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 should give you 44 meters, okay? Let's look at number 4. Number 4 is a little bit more complicated. So it says the perimeter of a rectangle town is 32 miles. Its width is 5 miles. Find the length. So we have the perimeter. We have one side, okay? So again, I like to draw out my formula. Perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. And then fill in what you have. Do I have the perimeter? Yes, I have the perimeter, 32 miles. Length is blank. I don't have the length. Width, I have one side, okay? It's 5, so I put a 5 there. Plus blank, I don't have the length. Plus width, I don't have the other width. But again, let's look at what kind of a shape this is. It is a rectangle. So what does that mean? That means that this side, its parallel side, has to be what? 5 miles, okay? Blank plus 5 plus blank plus 5. Okay? All right, I'm going to film another video. I will be back.